Hi, welcome to Villas Del Mar condominiums located in downtown Huntington Beach on Lake Street. The complex has 64 units and it's located on the 6 and 700 block of Lake Street, 92648 zip code. It's walking distance to Main Street, walking distance to the shops, the pier, Pacific Coast Highway, and of course the ocean. The Homeowners Association includes the gated community with a key entrance, a pool and a spa, a clubhouse, and of course the beautiful park-like grounds. Welcome, and follow me on a tour. We just stepped inside one of the units. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,400 square foot model. It's vacant, it's a bank owned. I'm going to take you through the unit. There's an eating area in the kitchen. Fireplace in the living room with balcony access. This model downstairs features a full bathroom, as well as a bedroom downstairs with vaulted ceilings. Granite counters, we've got an enclosed custom shower with tiles at Villas Del Mar.